我们要开始先快速来一遍柜台。好，首先第一个百草集这个品牌，它品牌主打的就是一个草本，然后它比较适合的人群是偏干的肌肤，所以干性肌肤有个点就是它的皮肤容易敏感且容易长皱纹。它里面的主打成分很难记，4个字：美雅安体。它是用很多种植物成分组合成的一个复合成分。
啊，那我不如直接翻译有很多植物成分组合的复合成分。
叫美雅安体。
美雅安体。Hello。
Hello。Hello Bonjour。
Bonjour。
Welcome.
We have never seen this store. Is it new or?
It's new. It will open tomorrow.
Ah, okay.
So we have 12 local Chinese brands.
So only Chinese?
Only Chinese brands. So you guys can just look around. So here we have the brands for skin products, and over there, that's the makeup stuff.
Okay, thank you.
But if you have any questions, just don't hesitate.
Great.
Let's do a tour first. OK， 我们走开。
Oh, that's so cute. What is that?
This is lipstick. Like.
Oh, so great. I love. Oh, and it's like a mirror.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
It's like a traditional Chinese lock, what we call a united heart lock.
So cool.
And what's interesting, I can show you the 2 eyeshadow palettes.
Oh,
They are in
a mask.
Beijing opera theme.
Wow.
Like your eyes.
Oh, wow. This is beautiful.
Like Chinese red.
Okay. Very intense. Beautiful. Does it suit to European consumers, this color?
It depends on how you use it.
Oh,
This-
this is
This is for you.
This is better.
Yes.
Can I try it on my eyelid?
Yes.
Which one do you recommend?
I like you can.
Okay, great.
You can use 2 colors.
No, I already have, so I just want to see a bit. Oh, beautiful. Okay, thank you so much.
又来人了吗？
没有，那个文俊回来了。
货管。
哟，你给我发的那2个
没有，
没有了，
没有就没有吧。
你这设备挺专业。
给你补妆呢，
哦
别人我都补完了。
哦，那走。
累了吧？累坏了吧？
哪补？
就在这儿吧。
嗯哼。
我看一下，
嗯，
一点点油，一丢丢，
一羞羞，
一羞羞。
挺专业呀，弄的。
好了，可以。
你有点专业哈。
有点专业，真是，快出动去把他给拉住！你现在是完美妆容了，你现在帅的要命，快去！
真要命。
Yeah, I heard so much about Asian skincare. I'm really interested in like a serum or something, but I have a super like sensitive skin, and I have some redness.
Ah, redness. Donc vous avez une peau sensible. Come here, come over here.
太背了 ，Trust me, right?
哦啦啦
Oh la la, magnifique. Oh, oh,
美了 ，magnifique！ Oh la la！
You like?
Oh my god, it's very good.
Wow, you're professional.
Thank you， 好开心。
佳琪得要一个化妆专家了，这位也想尝试一下，因为她的皮肤比较容易泛红。
I am so red. My dress is red, I am red.
Magic time.
Like this, you can. Dun, 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 dun. Like this, mix
Okay.
and dun, 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 dun. This color is very cute.
Oh, on
Ah, c'est
voit la
beau, hein.
différence, hein?
Do you
Bah, avant, j'étais juste toute rouge. Et maintenant, je suis comme une petite pétale.
C'est bien dimensionnel, puis
姐姐，你可以帮我问一下，她想要修容吗？变瘦？
啊，我不知道。
Okay. Like this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's soon. And more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You look zoom. Yes.
Wow.
Okay.
谢谢。
You like?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
So now it will tell me everything about my skin?
Yes.
Oh,
All of them.
okay.
Ah, this is yours.
So what do you think?
I really like the makeup.
Do you know you want to buy something or?
I'm interested in buying the cream and the blush.
the blush. Ah,
姐收银。
OK, go ahead.
好 ，OK，这哪这是腮红？
腮红我给她的是粉色的，这个02桃修。Thank you.
Thank you. You are our still the first one customer.
Yes.
Yeah! Magnifique.
To me, with someone with sensitive skin, which is very common problem in France due to the sun, the wind, the sand, the pollution, it's really important to have Chinese brand who understand the condition of French skin. We're really looking for product that match our skin type and have research behind it to make sure it's efficient for us. Please gather around.
Guys, do you think you can come to us because we wanted to share something with you?
Okay, of course. Okay.
Don't be afraid. We are not closing the store, don't worry. We're not police.
We ambushed you all.
12位通过官方报名具有真实购买意愿的消费者，以及2位具有专业销售能力的专家将陆续到店，结合体验并给出一些指导和建议。
I think a little small one. First, you definitely need the price. And what is this?
This is the color number.
Oh, I thought it's the price.
No.
I was afraid that this is the price. 9,000 euros is a bit.
No.
So sometimes it looks like it's a price maybe in yuan or in like something else.
Sorry.
Then something that I wanted to share with you about the routines and like products that you propose, because I tested the machine there when I asked to do my analysis of the skin. And do you have a product that does it? And usually this analysis is done like in the stores to, okay, for your eyes we have perfect product and this is it. And I think this is something that will drive your sales.
For me, I will take the approach of your professionalism. So what I really liked is that when I entered, you all said hello to us, which is very, very important for French people.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, bonjour.
Not all of you came, to submerge us, because it would have been a bit overwhelming.
OK，我们走开。
Which I think is really great, because then less pressure on us to I really appreciated how you apply my makeup without touching my face with your finger, which is very hygienic. We really like that. And then you did my whole face, which I thought was really good. And for you too.
Yeah.
I feel like this is a good overall of.
It was a really, really nice experience with you today. Just guys, good luck. You're gonna rock it. You're gonna.
加油！加油！拜拜！加油！加油！加油！
拜拜。
你手忙脚乱。
所以我们还有很多事情还没有做。
我等一下可不可以先把出去弄的那些东西赶紧给弄了，因为我们要下班。
你去弄，然后我们等下把价格全部都标出来，要不然我们没有办法，他们也看不到价格，他们就不会想说他要还是不要，因为我们刚刚有几个人都是这样的。